Welcome. If you're tired of constant message notifications popping up while you're using Instagram on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable notifications for messages on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. This will help you stay focused and enjoy a distraction-free experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the main Instagram screen, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on your profile icon. This is usually your profile picture or a silhouette. Clicking this will take you to your personal profile page, where you can access more settings and options. Now, glance back at the left menu. Find and click on Notifications. This will bring up your notification preferences, where you can control exactly how Instagram alerts you about activity on your account. Within the Notifications section, look for Push Notifications and click to enter. Push notifications are the alerts that pop up on your device, even when you're not actively browsing Instagram. Managing these settings gives you control over what notifications you receive while using your PC. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Messages from individual and group chats. This is the setting responsible for all those message alerts that can interrupt your workflow or leisure time. To turn off these notifications, simply select Off. Once you do this, Instagram will stop sending you push notifications for messages from both individual and group chats on your PC. You'll still be able to check your messages whenever you want, but you won't be interrupted by constant alerts. That's all it takes. You've now successfully disabled message notifications on Instagram for PC. If you ever want to start receiving these notifications again, just return to the same settings and switch them back on. Enjoy your quieter, more focused Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take control of your notifications for a more peaceful online life.